I'll start off by doing a little demonstration of recording notes into a sequence like this, and just to demonstrate the pitfalls of recording a live performance into a sequencer of this type. So let me set this up in such a way that I can record the main lead riff. So there's two settings that are crucial on Renoise. One is the number of lines in the pattern. The other is the lines per beat. And so I've set my pattern to have 64 lines and 4 lines per beat, which will give me, hopefully, if we can listen with the metronome, 4 bars with which to record into. Actually, I only need 2. And I can set the tempo to match the song tempo for Don't Go, which is 125 BPM. Okay, so the way I have Renoise set at the moment is I'm telling it to quantize every incoming note to one of these lines, in other words, one of these beat divisions, because all of the notes on this synthesizer part fall on a semiquaver. So our 16th notes are all that I need, so I have 4 divisions of every beat. And I can play this part just about at a stretch. Not very well, but I can play it. So let's see if I can record it in, and let's see how viable that's going to be as a way of entering notes in for this recreation. So you can see with this setting I have Renoise set to quantize to each one of these lines the notes that come in, and unless my timing is precisely on the subbeat of each one of these bars, then there's danger of it being quantized to the wrong line, and that's a problem, of course. And so we need a way to be able to, if we're going to record live like this, be able to record my timing. Notes that come early or late need to be recorded where they were played rather than quantized. And I can turn the quantization off down here, but of course this isn't going to work now unless I've got more lines in between. I need finer resolution with which to record. On the MC4 this is called time base, and it's possible to set a maximum time base of 480, which is a value that relates to divisions per measure, per bar. So I can do the same thing here by setting my pattern length to be 480 lines, and by setting my lines per beat to be 120. So this is the finest resolution that the MC4 could record to. So let's see if we get any better results by doing it this way. Let's try 100 BPM. So there we go, I've had a go at recording that, and I've slowed the tempo down to 100 BPM. Let's just bring it back up again to 125. And you can see, hopefully from what I've done here, I haven't landed on the beat precisely. This should be 64, line 64, and this one's a couple of lines off. It's pretty close, I suppose. You know, I'm no keyboard player though, and Vince Clarke, for all I know, may be able to do something precisely like this and land it exactly on the beat division every time.